Okay, so we're continuing to looking into the issue why with the XKR that came in for a tune and there was no supercharger belt. So just trying to figure out what's going on exactly. And well, first of all, if you guys look at the end of that, I mean, that looks to be pretty banged up, and it's not even. I mean, the pulley seems like it's spinning evenly. The end is definitely banged up as they try to force it on. What I'm thinking, what's happening is they actually didn't put the pulley far enough, and as you can see, it doesn't exactly line up with the idler pulley. So I'm thinking if we put a new supercharger belt, we're just gonna have a failure again until this problem pulley is taken off, and or maybe it can be just installed and pushed in further, but I don't know. But that's definitely banged up. You can tell.